Hello everybody, how's it going today? Today we're going to discuss the Mega Magic socket adapter for the Xeltek programmers. I had a customer contact me. They had some Sdip 64 chips that they need programmed. They're having them sent from China, so no telling the quality of those chips. But I didn't have an Sdip 64 adapter, so we have to build one. So this is not sponsored. I just use JLCPCB for my boards. So we will open this up and see what we get. Now I will be putting all the adapters that have been made on my website. I will link it in the description, so everybody can have access to them. It's the Gerber files, so you can order them from JLCPCB. And have low-cost chip adapters. So I was hoping this was what was in this one. I've ordered a bunch of boards lately because JLC's got a shipping $3 and some change first 3 prototype boards. So getting to be a pro at opening these up. Okay, so there we have the MX0064. Let's see if this socket fits. Oh no. I think the pins are slightly bent. It'll fit. I just have to adjust the pins. They did not fare too well in shipment. So yeah, it'll fit. I just have to align all those pins. But little tip on doing the adapters. So this is 64 pin. So you don't need to put all the header sockets on both sides. You can just do 1 through 64 and then just put 4 on each corner here. 4 or 6 on each corner. That'll help it so it comes off those pins a lot simpler. So a lot easier. But because if you run all 144, it makes it a pain in the rear to pull off. So yeah, that I'm gonna need to definitely straighten those pins. It's just the way these Chinese sellers send this stuff. They just stick it in a bag. So you gotta be very, very careful when you're ordering those. Make sure you tell them to use good padding on the pins. That way they don't get bent. But it just takes a little bit of time. And once you get it all lined up, it'll go on. But I might do a assembly of this. I might not. But if you have a Xeltek programmer, get one of these. I'll link Alex's Telegram in the description. Trying to focus in. These are really awesome, handy tool to have. There's probably about 40-ish adapters that I will be posting on the website. So they're just the Gerber files. They're under 100 by 100, so they're a $2 JLCPCB board plus shipping. So you can just order your own. Don't order any other features. You can order them whatever color you want. And show you the back of that. I've already shown these. But yeah, that's his Sdip 64. The guy's chip should be in here shortly. but I'm also doing the other Sdips. Got one more socket I'm waiting on, and a couple more boards. So we will catch y'all later. Thanks for watching.